The graphic design industry just changed forever. And if you're not using AI, you're already falling behind your competition. That's why the AI for Graphic Designers eBook and training series was developed. This isn't just theory, it's a hands-on guide covering everything from generative AI in Adobe softwares, Canva to prompt engineering, with real workflows you can implement today. Here's what you get: the complete ebook covering topics like AI evolution in design industry, how AI works, how AI creates graphic design, how to earn as a graphic designer using AI tools, future AI trends, practical applications for Adobe and Canva, prompt engineering mastery, plus exclusive training videos on 30+ free AI tools. The video course also includes exercise files, a prompt writing guidance PDF, and a resources PDF, everything you need to become an AI-powered designer. The book launches in just 4 days, and if you pre-register right now using the link in the description, you'll get 20% off the entire bundle. Don't wait, AI is transforming design whether you're ready or not. Click the link below, secure your copy, and transform your creative potential. The power to shape your future as a designer is in your hands.